back to my channel. Okay, so I'm filming from our main channel, and we thought why not we do like a combined what's in my bag video.
Oh, okay.
Kim has a lot of interesting things.
So much stuff in there.
So we're just gonna show you guys what we have in our
This is
bag.
a surprise because she didn't tell me about this. If she did, I would have cleaned out my bag.
I kind of did that on purpose.
This girl.
Okay, actually, let me just put everything
I don't
back.
have anything naughty in, I don't.
Okay, since Kim is the guest for today, let's just let her go
This girl.
first.
This girl. Okay. Alright.
She had no idea we're gonna
I
film
had
this.
no idea. Like, look at my bag. Okay, so let me just sort of
Explain your bag first.
I'll explain. Okay, this is the Prada. I think it's Saffiano bag. I can't remember. I got it.
Saffiano.
Saffiano. Yeah, I
Yeah,
can't
it's
remember.
a pattern, the Saffiano pattern.
Yeah, I bought this like ages ago, like
2-3 years ago.
more than that, maybe like 3-4 years ago even. And it's a really good bag, so sturdy and stuff, so it can fit a lot of stuff in here.
A lot of stuff, let me tell you that.
Do you want to look in here first?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, you can talk. I'll be back. Okay, we're back. You were saying this is Prada Saffiano.
Yeah, this is a Prada Saffiano bag, and I got this, I can't remember, maybe 4 years ago. I've used it every single time I travel because it's really good. It fits in a lot of stuff. And it's also really sturdy because I carry a lot of stuff with me, as you guys probably know. And even though it's heavy, it's so sturdy. Like, it's never sunk or anything like that, so really good quality. Anyway, let's start off with, I guess, the middle part. So first off, I have one camera.
What is this? This is actually really
It's a
interesting.
remote view, which is similar to the Osmo. So I used to have an Osmo, but this one has a screen, which is really good. So it's like a gimbal, so when you walk around, it's really smooth footage.
So it's built-in stabilizer.
Yeah, so I use this for, I guess, for shots when I'm walking. I really want it to be really stable and nice. And then I have...
I think you should get this one out of the way.
Oh yeah, and then I have another camera. This is the Canon IVIS Mini X, which is like the same as the Canon Vixia, same one that Sunny's using now. I have another camera here too, but this was in my bag. This is the Canon G7X. I carry out 3 cameras around with me.
Oh my god. More than me.
And then this
Your wallet.
Yeah, so my wallet was just out there, but this is my wallet. There's like some Korean ones sticking out. This is from OST. They had a Pokemon collection.
Oh yeah, I think you got it here.
Yeah, I got it here last time, and it's inside's got like my credit card and stuff. So that's all.
Let's not show that.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, I'll give you guys my number, and then I'll also give you guys my
guys can
the
transfer
codes as
money,
well.
I'm just
transfer
kidding.
money over to Then I have my power bank.
I have exactly the same one that I got from Malaysia.
So
One
good.
coming soon, but this is really good.
This is a Xiaomi.
Xiaomi.
Yeah, and
Wait,
this
I
one I got in
think-
Korea when you.
oh, you
told me.
bought it in Korea?
Yeah, because I
How much did you buy this one for?
$40.
I got it for 20.
Oh my gosh, in Malaysia.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I'm thinking about buying another one.
You should get it. Xiaomi is really good.
Yeah, so I'm
obsessed with Xiaomi.
Yeah, I use this one because I play Pokemon Go, right? So
You need
it uses
it.
up a lot of battery.
Yeah.
And this is just an iPhone cable. And then my phone,
Pikachu case.
case as well. And then I have a Pokemon Go device. This is my new one to catch Pokemon. Catches Pokemon automatically. So this is the Pokemon, what's this called? This is the Gotcha. So it's a touchscreen, which is cool, right? And then I have
Papa's Namja is really good. They serve really good tteokbokki.
Yeah. And then I brought another outfit with me because we're
Coming
going to take some
soon.
photos.
Coming soon.
Coming soon.
Fashion video on Kimdao's channel.
And then
Oh, you have nothing in it?
no,
Nothing?
I have
Oh my gosh.
hair. Lovely. I have some lip balm. This is the Livia
Oh, I love
Delicious
that.
Drop.
This is only Japan exclusive.
really
It's
good.
the Nivea Delicious Drop Peach and Vanilla flavor. If you guys ever go to Japan, get this. They're
Yeah.
really inexpensive and they're very good.
And then I have like sample sizes. This is the Chateau
Labial.
Labial. This is I had this for years, and I just leave it in my bag just in case I need to touch up. And Perry's ink as well, just in case I need to touch up. And then this is my card for.
That's a cute little-
this is what you got me like years ago.
Yeah, the
I still have it.
tea
Tea money card.
Yeah, the tea money card.
And then Bandage.
Bandage. Oh, I might need that later. It's like,
Oh, you
like
need it?
a little.
Okay. Yeah, it takes one. And then
Heels are killing
here, there's like, okay, so there's one pocket here, then there's one here as well. This one
Having
here, this one has like important stuff. So this is my SIM card that I got in Korea because it's just easy to have a SIM card. And then my house keys for my place,
so
my place in Australia. Yeah, my house keys. It's got a Pikachu.
I wish I had like keys like this because mine's like combination.
Yeah. So those are my house keys, and then that's it. In there.
My turn.
Oh no, I still have things.
Oh wait,
I still have more. You just be surprised how much stuff I carry. Now this is like an area we can put more stuff in. So my passport that's like pretty much destroyed because I traveled so much, but also like got wet one day.
It looks really
But
destroyed.
it still
in
works.
person.
So yeah, it's like really bad.
As long as it works.
It still works. Look how wrinkled it is. And I didn't want to buy a new one because it's so expensive.
Oh yeah. Oh really? Because we don't have to pay for ours.
Ours is like $300. Yeah. And if you lose it, because I lost my passport once, it's like a $500 penalty to like get a new one. It's Australia, man. Some screwdrivers because my camera, the screen falls off.
Mark II.
It falls off all the time, guys. And then these screws that always come undone, so I had to carry screwdrivers to fix it. And I got a microphone. I also have some spare memory cards. I also carry USB, and then it's a card. What? I got 10 yen.
Oh my god. 10 yen.
I don't know what it's in. Another memory card, and then this is just
A card.
Just a card.
Just a card.
Just a card. And then there's one more.
One more
I don't know what's in here.
compartment.
Oh,
Your cash.
money.
Okay.
Some money.
We're not gonna show it.
I don't have much, but I just. Why do I have 10 yen in there? It's like
Maybe
10
you
cents.
forgot it was in there.
Yeah.
Okay, moving on to mine. I'm just gonna put everything in here.
Yeah.
So my bag is called Palm Spring Mini. This is the Palm Spring Mini that you can actually use it as a sling and use it as a backpack itself. I've been eyeing on this for almost a year.
Years, like yeah.
Yeah, almost 2 years, and then finally I got it like a few months ago, and I've been really loving it because it goes well with any type of outfit. So yeah, I'll link it down below if you guys are interested to get any one of these bags. So the first thing here is a little compartment. I don't have anything.
There's nothing in there.
I usually put my SIM card.
Oh yeah, fair enough.
SIM card, memory cards, everything like small here, just in case. And then I have my phone right here, and then I also have my
iPhone charger.
iPhone charger. I was gonna bring my what do you call that?
Power bank, right?
Power bank,
Yeah.
but it was too big.
Yeah, it's
for
really
this bag.
big. It's really heavy.
So I just brought like a plug and USB, like iPhone charger, and then my roller bangs because I have bangs. Ta-da! And then oh my god, this is a little too cute. I have tampons.
Oh, and that's okay. Yeah, so you guys use those tampons. I use the small, like, you know, the ones that she calls the bullets. Like in Australia, we sell tampons in like the small box.
I like this type of tampons, but she
No.
brought like it looks like a bullet, you guys.
No,
I don't know
but-
how you guys like.
No, but it
Yeah.
saves, like, you know, it saves plastic, right?
I know, but it's so weird. I've tried it once because Kim gave me. I have no idea where it went, guys. I was like,
You just stick it out, that's all you do.
So I always have like 3 in each bag, just in case.
I've never used
I'm
those
just gonna
before,
put it
by
on
the
my
way.
lap. I'm so shy. It's 167 ringgit, which is around like $10. I bought my parents like Korean barbecue.
Oh, yeah. That's cheap.
That's really cheap.
Damn.
And then I have extra battery for my
Oh, yeah.
G7X camera. Speaking of G7X, it's for this one right here. This one is the first edition. Kim's, I think hers is like Mark
The newer
II.
one, but
yeah.
the screen falls off, guys. I don't know.
That's the only thing I like about this. It
Yeah.
doesn't fall off, and it's really good.
Yeah.
I feel like every YouTuber has this.
Everyone has like, yeah.
And then I have my favorite lip color that I've been wearing almost every single day. Here is Matte Chic Lip Lacquer. I love this product so much. After reviewing it, I actually used some of them almost every single day until today. I like Rose Pink, I like Wendy Brown, and this is one of my favorite as well. This one is Irene Red, the one that I'm wearing on my lips today. And then the last one, I got this as a present from my friend. She gave me a birthday present. It's a Chanel wallet. Inside I have a bunch of cards. I don't want to show you guys because it's more personal. This one is a little bit more on the shimmery side. So yeah, that's all. I don't have anything else. Empty. I don't like carrying a lot of stuff, and I don't really like big bags in general.
Yeah.
I always like small and petite, and I can just put a little bit.
Opposite, I carry so much around with me.
Kim is like, she's like the Dora and you guys.
I pull out everything like that.
She, like, if you need anything, Kim she can just like, oh, I have this.
I've got it with me.
Oh, I have this, and I'm like, oh, nice.
But usually in Australia, sometimes when I go out, I just carry my small wallet. That's what I carry. So it depends.
But I think because you're traveling.
Yeah. So I'm carrying more.
Yay! So that's all for That's all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Kim and follow her on Instagram. And I'll be back on this channel more often now. I'm so sorry for leaving you guys too long. Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you guys like Kim. And see you guys later. Bye.
Only if you like me. If you don't, you can dislike.
No, don't do that. If you just like,
she's gonna find you. And she's gonna.
I'm like having a brain fart right now. Anyways, I'll see you guys later.